How do you recognize a poisoned environment when you go to court? The case managing judge also assigns themselves to be either the motion judge, trial judge, or pretrial judge. Case management and pretrials are steps in the court process whereby parties can openly discuss their matters without fear of having it prejudice their position at trial. In this way, a case managing judge cannot also be the pretrial judge, the trial judge, or a motion judge. In my case, the main case managing judge who took over for Judge McEwen after he was refused sex for orders is JudgeBernadetteDietrich, who was the scheduling judge who scheduled herself to be the motion judge in order to prejudice my case. Every time I scheduled my matter to be heard, JudgeBernadetteDietrich would schedule an accompanying hearing just 2 days before my hearing to have me labeled vexatious to prevent me from presenting my case. JudgeBernadetteDietrich works for Judge McEwen, who is the head of her department, and both of them participate on many of the same committees and belong to the same clubs. BernadetteDietrich was purposely trying to prejudice my matter after I refused to respond to Judge McEwen's sexual advances on me. Both judges, along with Jessica Kimmel and Corey Gilmore, prevented me information on my mother's estate assets in order to prevent me my right to present my case. Judge McEwen said the only reason he wasn't giving me these disclosures is because he felt I was using him for his orders. To date, none of the judges have said why I was not entitled to information on my mother's estate assets. Every time I spoke out about the sexual misconduct of Judge McEwen, Judge BernadetteDietrich exhibited even more animosity towards me. I had to sit through hearings watching BernadetteDietrich along with lawyers Herschel Sahian and Peter Neufeld of Wagner Sudlovsky conspiring to falsely label me, to punish me, and to cover up the sexual misconduct. Every time I stood up for my rights, they told me that made me vexatious. To be vexatious, it means to harass. If you're having to stand up for your rights, it means that you are the one being harassed. They're all a poisoned environment, which is harassment and a violation of my human rights. This kind of abuse of the public is what other Canadians have also experienced. We have to stand up, or else this will continue. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for everyone who's giving me such overwhelming support. It really, really helps.